What's up, cat? So this intro has just been interrupted by that sound, which is a Black Hawk. So what's up, guys? Welcome to a Black Hawk episode, hopefully. Alright, I'm gonna shut up and try to get this awesome raptor real quick, and I'll talk to you in a second. That was pretty cool. So, got some Black Hawks. They're both babies. They're both juveniles. And the nest is right behind me up in that big cottonwood. That nest has been there for a really long time, and I see it every year, but I surprisingly haven't ever really gotten any juvenile or baby shots. So it's kind of cool seeing them out. Looks like they just learned how to fly a little bit ago. There's one over here. There's one over there. I don't know where. Mom and Dad are probably hunting, trying to get second breakfast. So it's been a minute. This is this vlog for me is pretty crazy. For y'all, for you, not so much, because I'm editing it to make it look nice. But I actually started filming this vlog in May, and it's now August. So a lot of stuff's been going on. This is actually the first wildlife vlog that I've filmed since May. Here, there he is again, the baby Black Hawk. Yeah, a lot of things happened. As some of you will probably know if you follow my channel or my Instagram, I actually ended up losing my dad to cancer at the end of May. So that hit me pretty hard, and I think, you know, I've got back to work and everything, and I took some time off and all that stuff, but I think wildlife has been a little hard for me lately, because birding especially is like one of the things that we had a lot in common, and you know, we always talked about, and I'm always shared my videos and pictures with him and stuff like that, and it's just been a little hard like that. And then right before Father's Day, and then his birthday and my birthday were both in July, so yeah, it's just been, I don't know, it's been every time I've picked up the camera to go out for wildlife, I guess I've convinced myself of some excuse not to do it, but I don't think that's what he would want. That's certainly not what I want, and it's just too beautiful not to be out here. There's been a lot of growth, like everything. I don't know if you can see, like all of this. There's so much growth since the last time I came out here, and so I have some target birds that I'm looking for. One of them is a blue grosbeak. I've heard them, but I haven't seen them yet. And yellowthroat. They're common around here for sure, and I hear them all the time, but they're so skittish and they're so sneaky, and they're always in the bush. So I'm just going to go out there again, and I'm going to kind of stake out. Oh, there's Mama. So somebody, or maybe that's another kid. Maybe that's a sibling. Let me look real quick. Oh, the backlight is horrible. I think that was one of the parental units. And they're all talking right now. Alright, I guess that means it's enough me talking. Let's get back to trying to shoot some birds in the face. Let's see if I can get some. I got some nice shots of them sitting there, but I'd like some action shots or something interesting. Let's see what we can find. Can't believe how overgrown it is out here. Like all of this stuff. It's almost like we're like in a real forest that has like green things and, you know, well, it's been monsoon season lately, so we've been getting a lot of good rain. So I mean, obviously I'm not surprised by it, I guess, but it's just always a shock to see this much green when you live in southwest New Mexico. All right, we're almost to the spot where I want to hunker down for some warblers. So let's go see what we can find. It would be nice to see them in this stuff behind me, get some contrasting colors with all that green. We'll see. Black Phoebe right there. And there's also my nemesis, the blue grosbeak. I got 2 really crappy shots. I'm gonna hang out here and see if I can get a few better shots. And I'm gonna see what that is right behind the camera. Oh, that's the Phoebe again. Blue grosbeaks. They're pretty common along the Rio Grande and even down here in New Mexico in the summertime, but man, they are just, for me, they're just hard to get. I've only gotten a few shots of them over the years and I've never been very happy. What is that? Oh, there's a spotted towhee over there. That's kind of cool. They're fun to watch. Well, I guess I'm going to hang out here and see if I can get some more grosbeaks. And then maybe I'll head over to the warbler spot. It's getting warm. Oh, incoming. Alright, I'll see you in a second. That log, that tree, used to be over there. So we've had enough monsoonal flooding to get that ginormous tree from over there to right there. That is nuts. This is also where I want to hunker down for my warblers. Let's see how this goes now that I gotta shoot over a giant tree. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I think it's like 10:30. It's really hot out here, especially in this extra camo-y bit. Got some pretty good chats, or got some pretty good yellow throats over here. I'm very happy with that because I hear them a lot. I see them sometimes, but I almost never get good photos of them, except for now. So I got some decent photo and maybe even a couple video clips. Got a couple summer tanagers, not the greatest shots. And then got a western tanager. Again, even worse shot than the summer tanagers, but cool to see. All really common out here, but I love the colors. I love seeing something just dropped on me. It was suspect. Also got a hermit thrush right there. It was really far away though, even with cropping and in the shadows, and not very good. Then my party got crashed by a bunch of dogs, lady walking her dogs, and they jumped in the ponds right here. So dogs look like they were having fun though. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Pretty short vlog, I think, but I'm happy with just getting out and happy with what I got. Heard that Black Hawk again. I heard parental unit Black Hawk. I'm gonna go take one more walk by them and see if I can get some action or some parents or something. And then if not, it's definitely second breakfast time. Alright, well, if you made it this far, then I super appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, because that's the best thing you can do for my channel. And hopefully I'll see you out here again with some more interesting birds and some better footage.